Hi, I'm Donna Unis Blake, Program Director for the Nature Conservancy in Jamaica. Did you know that 2023 was the hottest year ever in the history of recorded temperatures in Jamaica? And nowhere has the heat been more scorching than in our capital city, Kingston. All happening in the midst of a construction boom and urban heat island effects that is challenging traditional construction practices and prompting us to find more novel ways to build to beat the heat. We can learn from city-states like Singapore, which is integrating nature-based solutions in their urban designs, manifesting as eye-catching green roofs, vertical gardens and green walls. Plants provide shade, reduce heat absorption by buildings and release water vapor to provide a cooling effect and result in savings on air conditioning and other energy costs. Have you considered how nature-based solutions can make that distinctive difference to your next development? Learn more by visiting the United Nations Environment Programme project website, cityadapt.com, or simply scan this QR code right here. As Jamaica adapts to climate change, you can build better to beat the heat.